Welcome to Talk Through Thursday, where we delve into diverse topics and invite intriguing guests to show and share their expertise. Today, we are honored again to introduce Miss Natasha ji. Welcome again, Natasha ji. How are you?
I'm doing so great. How are you, Burkha? Thank you for having me again.
And it's my pleasure having you. Every time you're here, you're inspiring a lot of people out there. Thank you so much for doing this. So, can you give a crisp about what will we be talking about today?
Okay, so let's talk about something about tarot readings. How does it work? How it helps people around? For some, it's a very new thing what tarot reading is.
Yes, definitely. And I'm very much excited about unlocking the mysteries today. Let's explore tarot cards and holistic wellness along the way. Can you share with us how you first became interested in tarot cards and what drew you to this particular practice?
Oh, that's an interesting story. It is said that tarot comes to you. It is not that you buy and you get it. ऐसा कहा जाता है. My father gifted me tarot. He himself is an astrologer, but he never thought about doing tarot on his own. And he gave me. And I also kept it and just kept it in my puja ka drawer and room. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था that I'll take it up. But yeah, when it is gifted, maybe it's meant for you. So it came up to me, and then I started studying a little, not literally a formal course. I took a help from a reader. It is said that you work upon on yourself, and then you are able to read through intuitively. Tarot card has a meaning, so each card has a meaning in that. That's how my journey started with tarot.
Oh my God, that's so fab that your father himself is a astrologer and he drove you into tarot cards, and the work you're doing today is commendable because they're helping a lot of people out there. You have shown us right now the tarot cards, right? So can you tell how do tarot cards work and what role do they play in guiding individuals towards self-discovery and transformation?
Okay, wonderful. And I'm thankful that you took up this question also because many people think ये तो ऐसे ही cards हैं. It may not have anything. So it is not only the card, it is the individual. So number one, we seek permission from the soul. So once you give us the permission or you come intuitively or you come to seek help in that case, then only we are able to guide you. Number two is when actually you are ready for that, you're receptive. ओके कभी कभी होता है कि हम चले जाते हैं किसी की जिद करने में चलो मम्मी ने कहा तो बेटी चली गई सो चले तो जाओगे आपके डेट ऑफ बर्थ आपके टाइम ऑफ बर्थ और आपके ऑरा रीडिंग से हम बता तो देंगे बट उसके जो हीलिंग्स है जो गाइडेंस है वो आप ले नहीं पाओगे अनलेस यू आर रिसेप्टिव. And number three is many people have this myth also, which I really wanted to break today. कि कार्ड्स में क्या रीडिंग होगी एस्ट्रोलॉजी अमेजिंग है न्यूमरोलॉजी में लॉजिक है कार्ड्स में क्या होगा but yes intuitive readings not only works through card it works through the aura reading it works through the face reading and then of course people like us we work along with numerology astrology planetary movements so there were times even my father used to think कि astrology तो science है इसमें क्या science है. So he used to do client with me and used to say मैंने इसको ये prediction बताया अलग okay and then he used to send the same client to me to see कि ये क्या करती है. You won't feel he has actually tested me this way. Fortunately, by Guru's grace, by divine powers, the answers used to be the same. So every card, let's say, this came up, this came up. They are designed in a way that they will answer your questions. Every card has a meaning plus a number which resonates something related to your question.
Oh, that's great. And I'm so curious to know that you mentioned about misconceptions, right? People have about tarot card readings. How do you address them?
So there are many people who approach, क्या ये काम करते हैं? क्या ये सच में होता है? Then I tell them, okay, it's like a faith system. आप मंदिर जाते हो, मूर्ति देखते हो. मूर्ति में भगवान ढूंढते हो, right? But there are people जहाँ मूर्ति पूजा ही नहीं होती, but भगवान तो फिर भी exist करते हैं, right? गुरुद्वारे में कोई मूर्ति है या मस्जिद में कोई मूर्ति है नहीं बट दैट डिवाइन एनर्जी वर्क्स ऑन योर फेथ सिस्टम. हमारा फेथ इंटैक्ट है तो कहते हैं ना पत्थर में भी भगवान होता है. Similarly, it's the face system. And when we allow someone to read our aura, our energy, so I can enter, or maybe anybody who is into this practice can enter and understand that what you're going through your questions, through your aura, through numbers, through the planetary position. There are a lot of things which we work upon on that. It's not only one factor. There are different modalities when we club these things and it works on.
बिल्कुल, आपने बिल्कुल सही बात कही। और जो मेरा अगला सवाल है उससे पहले मैं चाहती थी कि आप ये मिसकंसेप्शन दूर करें लोगों का, so that we can walk through the process of tarot card reading or how it helps individuals gain insights into their lives and circumstances.
So, Barkha, I think every tarot card reader has their own style. The card meanings will remain the same, but my intuition might say something else, and some other tarot card readers' intuition say something else as per the other person. And similarly, when somebody comes to us, one, they're allowing us to read for them, so their energy is present. Usually, they pick up the cards first. And at times people open it or we open it for them because it does make a difference. These are little intricate details. I think maybe it's a longer topic to discuss. Today, I can only tell you these cards are resonating towards a question. Every card has a symbol which talks about your issue, and they really help. आपका कोई issue है, जितना specific question you're going to ask, उतना ही specific answer you're going to take back. So, for example, somebody says, okay, I'm picking a cup. How will be my future? This is a very ambiguous question. Future तो सब कुछ होता है, किसी के future में कोई perfectionism नहीं होता. If the person is going to ask, how do you see my next year financially? Will I grow? So this is a very specific question. The more specific the question is, the more specific the answer is. Then there's a spread that is also very different from individual to individual. Some people take one card for one question. Some people take 5 ka spread. Some people take 7 ka spread. Some people take past, present, future spread. So every individual has a different style of answering the queries.
Oh, this is very fascinating, and I'm sure people will be reaching out to you to unlock these surprising elements after listening to you on our podcast. आपने अभी mention किया कि ये पर्सन पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे. डू यू टेलर टैरो कार्ड, डू यू टेलर द टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग्स टू मीट द यूनिक नीड्स एंड कंसर्न्स ऑफ ईच क्लाइंट?
It changes from person to person. It changes from question to question. And very specifically, unlike astrology may answer only about you. So it's Barkha ki date of birth, Barkha ki family, Barkha ke charo taraf jo घूम रहा है. But the beauty of these cards is ये आपसे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर करते हैं. एंड वी डोंट टेलर दैट लिटरली. इट इज समथिंग द कार्ड स्पीक्स फॉर यू. It is something, the energy talks to you. And frankly, when you're sitting in that intuitive mode, you may not even remember what next you have spoken ever. मतलब मुझसे मेरे क्लाइंट वापस आके बोलते हैं आपने ये तब कहा था जी ये चीज हो गई है. I am blank. I said, okay, अच्छा, कहा होगा मैंने, I don't remember. Of course, the roles of angels, guides are always there with us. Without them, we can't do these readings.
But that's great, and it is a box full of surprises, I guess, right?
For us also.
Yeah.
Every time there's a new surprise when we do a reading.
Can you share some of your surprises? Can you share any memorable experience which was so fascinating to you as well?
Tarot card is not only कि आप उपाय करो और सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's not a magic. You have to do changes in your own life. And when I'm saying this, I really mean it. It starts from me only. And if the person is not receptive, जो मेरे पास आया है, they can go back and say कि okay, it might not work for me. But there have been cases, people getting married, people having babies, or adoption through different workings, readings, and getting a job, doing certain remedies. People have been come बताते हैं ये हुआ, ये worked out हुआ, प्रोजेक्ट में सक्सेस मिली, वेंट अब्रॉड, ये रेमेडी करने से ऐसे पहुंच गए, इट वर्क. सो ऐसे एग्जांपल्स आते रहते हैं. आई वोंट बी कोटिंग एनी स्पेसिफिक वन बिकॉज दैट इज अगेंस्ट माय क्लाइंट्स कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी. इन अ वे फ्रैंकली पहले तो मुझे पता नहीं होता व्हाट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू एट दैट टाइम. सेकेंडली व्हेन समबडी कम्स बैक तो मुझे बस इतनी खुशी होती है कि ओके, थैंक गॉड आई वाज दैट स्मॉल चैनल when you chose me and I could help this person through you.
And I salute you for being the bridge between the 2 points.
And for that, you need to work a lot.
On yourself first, then only we
Yes.
can
Yes,
transfer
we
it
have
to
been.
other people.
Where
Yeah.
we laugh, we cry, we go down, back, and come up. So
It's a whole lot of process. And
It's a
like
journey.
we discussed in the previous episodes about mindfulness, and you still mentioned it that you need to mindfully change yourself so that you can help everybody out there, right? So, how do you integrate other holistic wellness practices as a mindfulness, meditation, or energy healing with tarot card readings to enhance the overall experience of your clients?
Wow, what a drafted question, Barkha. Amazing. So yes, lovely. I mean, people think कि हम बस एक टैरो कार्ड रीडर के पास जा रहे हैं, ये कोई वो जादू करेगी और आंसर दे देगी. It's not like that. Your studies, your wisdom, your mindfulness comes into picture every time we do a reading. So recently, I had an experience. I was doing a reading for a corporate wherein the CEO came up and he was very happy, successful man, and everything was very nice with him, but he was still stressed. Why? Because he didn't had his purpose. He said, मैं पूरी जिंदगी काम करता जा रहा हूँ, मेरे पास purpose ही नहीं है. And he was like, क्या करूँ मैं? So then I told him that maybe it is time for you to actually उन्हें पता भी नहीं था कि उनका purpose is a problem. He came up with the thing कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है बट मैं परेशान हूँ. I have no reasons. So then I thought, okay, because it's a journey, so maybe it's time for you to find your purpose कि आपके लिए आपकी क्या qualities हैं. And Barkha, as you mentioned, कि कैसे हम different modalities को combine करके it helps. So there was one time in life I learned Ikigai. I spoke about it. I practiced it. I am in a situation to guide this person, the CEO, that it's time for you to practice your own Ikigai. It's not just your remedies only. You need to be mindful to practice these things in your daily life. Choti practices, say, like we have discussed in previous episodes also. Another is crystals work very well. I asked for date of birth and then I combine numerology with that, look at and understand the planetary positions in that. So there are a lot of modalities wherein we combine. And frankly, at times we have clients who have lost their loved ones and they ask me to channel during that time. Though it becomes very difficult to handle during a tarot session. Otherwise, mediumship connecting to the spirits, it's completely different. When it comes to Akashic records, when you connect it to the divine, and then you, at times while doing the reading, you realize that this had a past life connection. But I can't tell my client that I've just seen your record and there is an issue or there is something like that. But I deep down know it and has been guided by the divine to give the remedies as per that. So that is, I think I'm able to answer your question.
Definitely. So, what advice would you give to someone who is considering trying a tarot card reading for the first time?
Ah, oh, this is a very interesting question for all those people who are out there and they go and try out the people who are into energy work. There have been times, I'll tell you an incident. I was doing a reading in a festivity. So there was this girl who came up with a boy. She mentioned that this boy is a brother, okay? And she came up, I'm going around with a person, and this is all the date of birth, and this is mine. And then she was reading for her basically boyfriend, getting the reading done. As soon as started the reading, she was actually trying and testing. I got to know later once it is done because initially I was doing my reading. I was more into the reading then. She was asking each and every question very, very specifically. She was very suspicious. She was asking everything in deep state, right? How would be my boy's mother-in-law कैसी होगी, क्या रोल होगा मेरी लाइफ में, बॉय मुझे पैसा देगा नहीं देगा बाद में, like to the deep she was asking everything. And after everything the reading is done, she said, I want to tell you something. I said, what? This person is not my brother, he's my boyfriend. And you exactly spoke right everything on front of his face. So yes, people do come and test us. So now before they come and test any of the energy readers, they should be sure ऐसा ना हो पूरी चिट्ठी सामने आ जाए आपके. It was fun doing it. But yeah, there are people out there who come and test us. I think it is okay when you're honest and when you know your work and when you're sure about your readings, it is fine.
And you won with flying colors, I must say.
We were laughing at the end of the session, actually.
That was great. Lastly, in your experience, how do tarot card readings contribute to personal growth and
Oh,
transformation? And
Yes,
what
yes,
role
it
do
does help.
they play in
Hmm.
aligning individuals with their higher purpose of spiritual path?
Depending upon on the question, when somebody is seeking a personal help or somebody is seeking professional help, they will get guided through that. Would they like to change the job? The job will benefit or them right now or not? Are they supposed to change the job now or after 6 months? What would be the time donation? So, like that, it does help in their journey. For example, some children come to me usually अब जैसे deciding years होते हैं, they look forward that okay, I need to कौन सा stream लूँ, sciences लूँ, commerce लूँ, arts लूँ या artistic लूँ. Even people come for IB बोर्ड का बच्चा है मेरा या मेरे को CBSE बोर्ड में पढ़ाना है या IGCSE बोर्ड में पढ़ाना है. To that extent, so it does help people in finding their way, their path as guidance. Because as per the date of birth, as per the planetary position, we look and understand that कौन सी स्ट्रीम अच्छी रहेगी आपके बच्चे के लिए या बच्चा ही खुद कौन सी स्ट्रीम में फिट करेगा. देयर हैव बीन केसेस व्हेन चाइल्ड इज सेइंग आई वांट दिस, पेरेंट्स इज सेइंग आई वांट माय चाइल्ड टू डू दिस, बट देन वी नीड टू सी, लुक एट द पोजीशन, लुक एट द कार्ड्स एंड गाइड देम कि बेटा आपके लिए ठीक रहेगा. या उसके पेरेंट्स को समझाना पड़ता है कि प्लीज डोंट पुश, you may end up losing your child in a way कि वो पढ़ाई ही नहीं कर पाएगा. So there have been different things. There are people who actually have consulted कि I am about to take a divorce. What should I do? Sometimes we need to guide, okay, please go ahead. It might not work. But sometimes we need to guide depending upon on the person to person that how many marriages would you do? यही रहेगा. So it is your karma. This is your past life karma. You karmically you need to live and understand and go ahead with your marriage. So these things help in a way that people find their path and they understand that, okay, it is not only the outside circumstances. There are things which we need to change within ourselves as well. बहुत जरूरी है.
So basically, tarot card reading is a process or a source which can help you provide with solutions. But at the end, आपके कर्म, जो कि बोला गया है कि कर्म प्रधान ये जिंदगी है, so उसमें कर्मा
बिल्कुल.
is a very core thing, and we need to focus on
कर्मा
it.
से तो आप अपना फ्यूचर बदल सकते हो. जो पुराने कर्मा है उससे हमने अगेन बरकत इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग टॉपिक. आई थिंक कार्मिक एंड सोल कनेक्शंस एंड ट्विन फिल्म्स कैन बी अ डिफरेंट सेशन. बट या पुराने कर्मा से हम आज की लाइफ जी रहे हैं, बट हमारे आज के कर्मा विल बिल्ड अप आवर फ्यूचर. सिंपल. दिस हेल्प्स as in a deciding source at that time, as you said, but decision and karma to hamara hi hai, and nothing is impossible if we want. Impossible says I am possible.
Definitely. And thank you so much for making time today again and letting us know about these mysterious topics. People search for help and they don't know whom to go to. We are so glad you're here for us. Anytime we need.
Thank you. Thank you, Barkha, for having me. And this is my favorite topic to talk about. I can talk hours and hours on tarot. And the most important thing I want to quote is people still call it tarot reading. It is not tarot reading, it is tarot reading. There's this card for you which says you will shine bright like a star with your smile, and all the energies would be balanced for you, and you are divinely guided. You are pretty emotional being as well.
Thank you so much, and we'll explore that further after we switch off the camera and discover many new things. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Means a lot.
Barkat.
Pranam. Thank you so much for joining us today on Talk Through Thursday. It's been an amazing transformative session filled with insights and diverse perspectives towards holistic learnings of this process called life. We hope you have gained valuable takeaways from today's guest.